Hey you guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my LeadRogue review. LeadRogue. Quite a name, okay? I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. Right, it is going live today on the 6th of January, 10 a.m. New York time. This is the launch period, guys, so from today, Monday to Saturday, you will be able to pick it up at a ridiculously low price. Now, guys, this is my written review. As you can see, Dan Eschendorf. Dan Eschendorf is the creator of this product. It's a PDF. It's in a PDF format, at least the front end. Okay, I'll be focusing on the front end. I'll tell you all about the funnel as well. I have it all nicely written down on my written review, jotted down in such a way that you will be fully educated as to what the offer is all about. So here's the thing, okay? Since the sales page doesn't really reveal the secret sort of platform, the system is around, okay? The system of generating targeted leads, of growing your email list. I felt like it's best to keep the written review sort of also not fully revealing the method, okay? But you know me, okay? You know me. And some vendors used to have problem with me being totally transparent. I must be honest, okay? So it's a tricky territory to step into sometimes, you know, as a reviewer. Do you satisfy your followers, your subscribers, or the vendors, you know, as an affiliate? My product that I'm working on, I have been for quite some time, but you know, I'm just too busy doing what I'm doing that I don't have the time, guys, to show you what I'm doing, okay? But it's coming, okay? I'm also working with someone else, so I have to juggle between when I have the time and when the other person has the time. So yeah, in my product I'll tell you all the pros and cons of, you know, this affiliate marketing game. But my point is that, you know me, I'll tell you as is, okay? So I have checked out the product and I choose to work only with the vendors who don't have an issue with me being transparent. And that's that, okay? So I have checked it out. You download the product from here. It's about 70 pages PDF. I'll show you the PDF. Of course, I have to blur out some of the content because that would be not fair for the vendor, okay? Taking the vendor into account. So, and the bonuses that Dan gives you on top of just the front end, which is officially $7, but during the launch, you will have a chance. I'm not sure how, but I know from checking out the JV page and JV doc and the Warrior Plus, you see here we have the whole funnel and it says £5. So during the launch, there will be a way to get it for £5. So don't overpay, guys. You know, by saying so. I'm also getting less commission, of course, you know, if I can blow my own trumpet for a little bit. But why overpay if you can get it at a discounted price? So the way it's gonna work, okay, here are my bonuses. I'll get into what the product is all about. As you can see, school, right? So it gives you already a sort of like a sneak peek into the method. As you can see, my bonuses, all of them specifically made for this launch. I've read the PDF. I was like, I like it. Okay, I'll create quite a few bonuses to complement it, and I'll get to it. So from my written review, guys, you click get the best price, and at some point, as soon as the product goes live, it hasn't gone live yet. It goes live at 10 a.m. New York time. Now it's 12 p.m. London time, so it's around 8 a.m. New York time, I guess. So I think we are ahead, 5 or 6 hours ahead, right? I'm always confused.com when it comes to this, like London time, Australia time, New York time. I know roughly, but doesn't matter. So guys, yeah, through my written review, you get to the sales page, and at some point, I believe, as soon as the product goes live, if you pretend you want to exit the page, or if you stay long enough on the sales page, you know how it works, you probably do by now, this pop-up should pop up and giving you the discount, offering you $5. If not, $7 is also still of a deal, but I believe it will come down to, you'll get a chance to get it for $5. So this is Dan. I have been connected with Dan for a bit now, okay? I can reassure you that he is a quality vendor. Now, what I really appreciate about him, and as I was reading through them, so go check out the sales pitch, okay? Let me go to the actual product. So as I was reading this PDF, let me click here to download. As you can see, school community. So I'm showing you the information most affiliates probably will not get to. Yeah, and 71 pages long. I read it through. It's 71 pages long, but the font is quite big. Okay, it's an easy read, as you can see. I'm scrolling through it. It's packed with, you know, yeah, it's about school community, but sort of connected with LinkedIn. It's these simple things, simple yet powerful, that when we read about it and when we read about it from another human's perspective, and you know, by reading it, I can tell you it has been written by Dan, not ChatGPT. It's a lot of case studies, his real proofs, and he comes from, yeah, he doesn't write from his head, he writes from his being. It's like an extension of his experience from his heart, very much so. He puts a lot of emphasis on being real, transparent, on building real connections, meaningful connections, on building trust, and he doesn't BS you about it's gonna come like that, okay? Investment always comes before the results can follow. So we need to give before we receive. It's a universal law. You may like it or not, but this is the way it works. So there's no bypassing that if you want to come to a real success, and whatever success means to you, okay? But even making money. So, yeah, I mean, the ways of making money in a non-genuine way, I don't know if there's a way, if you can put it this way, but this is short term, okay? And ultimately it's going to ruin your reputation and it will backfire. So yeah, I would also encourage you, following Dan's advice, to do it the right way. So this is the overview, guys. I'm not going to reveal more of the content, but you know, an overview of school. So school is a platform. Yes, it is paid by, and also Dan shows you how to make money as an affiliate of school and how he has been making money this way. But it's a platform where people are very, very focused and like-minded, right? And they don't mind investing because they know they will find communities on school which are serious, professional, and focus on getting, you know, real results. Right. Okay. And he'll go through proven traffic methods with school, crafting content that builds trust, creating a thriving school community, how he made his first $1,000 on school. Again, very real, transparent. How you can monetize your school community as well, and your LeadRogue. Not quite. I know it's a bit of a cheeky word, this one. Yeah, depends on the context. But LeadRogue, right? Are you stealing, sort of like in a sneaky way, the leads? But it's the opposite of it. And school attracts genuine people who will come to you. So this is the beauty. You will not have to chase them. They will come to you. And that's what Dan focuses on. You know, it's not chasing after cold leads, but by building genuine connections, by building trust. You know, trust must be earned. It's not given. We have to earn it. People will come to you, they'll ask for your advice, and it can be built around any niche, okay? Whatever you kind of interested in or specialize in, it's really up to you, okay? Your mind is obviously the limit, not even the sky, your mind. Right, okay, so yeah, the sales page, you'll get to it from my written review. And going back to school, it is paid, I believe it's around $99 a month to be a member of school community, but you get 14 days trial, according to my present knowledge, okay? But even reading about that for £5, even if you're not ready to join, it will give you a strategy, okay? An actionable strategy and a plan that you may want to consider in the future. So it's good to be aware of these things, even though you're not necessarily gonna take, or you're not prepared financially to take action on it right now. Right, so now in my written review, guys, you have the whole funnel written down. So please check it out. The front end, as I said, from $5 to $7, depending if you, Dan should put discount on the sales page at some point, as soon as it goes live. Then will be the OTO, lead, peak performance, so case studies. You've got the prices here, you see? And the license pro, so reseller rights to this entire funnel, and the inner circle, so these are weekly mastermind calls, okay, with Dan, and that's one-time payment, okay, so you're gonna be part of his community. And check out the bonuses. So the first one I created for you is the engagement strategies for your email list. So once you start building your list, you need to know how to engage with them, how to provide value for them, how to nurture them, and all of that, okay? And then, all about school, guys, as you can see, monetization strategies for your school community. So I guarantee you will not find more relevant, congruent with the offer, bonuses anywhere else. Well, if you do, then fair enough. Okay, and next bonus is traffic generation toolkit for your school community. Last but not least, content creation master class for school. So read more about my bonuses on my written review, and if you're ready to purchase, just smash this buy LeadRogue and you will be redirected to the sales page. Okay, the VSL is already talking to us. Okay, guys, that's it. That's my review of LeadRogue. Go check out not the sales page, my written review first. If that's for you, pick it up, enjoy. The quality is good. It's a very heartfelt content, very real. I really enjoyed reading it. I could relate to what Dan was saying, and sometimes we need those reminders. Even if if we feel like we know something, a refresher, a rediscovery is needed, or, sometimes, you just get hit from a different angle, and that gives you more awareness and more power to your approach. That's how I feel, at least, okay? This is how I feel about it. Right, okay, guys, love you and leave you. I shall see you very soon. Bye.